Hi, dear friends, this is Krita, and let's see today how to import and work with a few files at the same time in Krita. So let's go to File, Open, and for example I want to open a few of those bears. Now I have 3 bears, and in order to see all of them and to work with them, I have to go to Settings, Configure Krita, and to find Window in a list. And to be sure that in Multiple Document Mode tab is chosen. Now, OK. And now we can see 3 our imported files are here. And you can work with any of them to switch between them and, for example, go to Layer, copy layer, go to another one, paste. Now in this window you have 2 layers with 2 different bears, and you can change them, compare them, work with them, do whatever you need. And to close any of these tabs, you just have to click on this cross. And that's it. So you worked with these tabs, so Krita asks you whether you want to save the changes. No. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.